How to make 60-second Instagram story. Hi guys, welcome back. Today I'm giving you a tutorial on how to create 60-second story on Instagram. So let's get started. First, what you guys need to do is you will open up Instagram on your mobile phone and you will get right here. Let's create a story and I'll show you how to create story longer than 15 seconds because that is the time we get on Instagram stories. So here we have story, and if I just upload a video which is longer than 15 seconds, it is divided into two parts or three parts. So how to fix it? Well, on Instagram we are not getting the option to create a longer reel for now, but Instagram is working on it. So if you want to create a story, or what I would suggest is switch to reels here, and then you can go to lens and you can see we can create reels for like 15 seconds and 30 seconds, 60, even 90. So you can just create a story with this way. You could record, add a song, add filters. It's quite like same thing. So you can just create a story like this, and if you do not want to post that reel, you can just leave it and just keep it on your stories. So yeah, this is the way you can go ahead and create a story longer than 15 seconds on Instagram. I hope that I was a big help. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, leave a comment down below, turn on bell notification, and subscribe to YouTube channel.